Hello, welcome to the USPTO's Quick Clinic series. In this video, we will provide information related to applying for a provisional patent application. In this video, initially, we are going to provide an overview of various types of patents an individual can obtain in the United States. Then, we will provide an overview of the basics of a provisional patent application. And finally, we will provide the specific filing requirements of a provisional patent application. If after you have viewed this video and you have further questions, please contact the Pro Se Assistance Center at 1-866-767-3848 or via email at innovationdevelopment@uspto.gov. We also encourage you to visit our website as listed below. The website provides more detailed information related to filing a provisional patent application, including knowledge packs and the provisional application toolkit and further Quick Clinic videos. So let's begin with an overview of various types of patents an individual can obtain in the United States. In the United States, an individual can obtain three types of patents: a utility patent, a design patent, and a plant patent. Regarding a utility patent, by far the most common applications filed in the USPTO are utility patent applications. Thus, most patents issued in the United States are also utility patents. A utility patent may be obtained by anyone who invents or discovers a new and useful composition of matter, a device, an apparatus, or a manufactured article, or a process, method, or steps of making a device or chemical. Examples of composition of matter include pharmaceutical drugs, chemicals such as shampoo, soap, creams, etc. Examples for a device include bicycle, tire, an integrated circuit, a cell phone, a vehicle, and examples of process or methods include the methods or steps of making the manufactured articles, devices, or composition of matter. Regarding a design patent may be obtained by anyone who invents a new or original ornamental design for a device or a manufactured article. The design usually consists of visual, ornamental characteristics embodied in the device or apparatus or article. In other words, the legal coverage for a design patent includes the look and feel of the device and not the device itself. Finally, regarding a plant patent may be obtained by anyone who invents or discovers and asexually reproduces a distinct and new variety of a plant. Now let's focus our attention specifically towards the basics of a provisional patent application. It is important to note that a provisional application can only be filed for utility and plant inventions. A provisional patent application cannot be filed for design inventions. A provisional application is also not examined by an examiner at the USPTO. The provisional application is not published to the public. A provisional patent application does not issue as a patent. This bears repeating. A provisional patent application does not issue as a patent. Only a subsequently later filed non-provisional application claiming the benefit of a provisional application may issue as a patent. A provisional application is abandoned automatically at 12 months. However, this 12-month period does provide a window for the applicant to file a non-provisional application and still benefit from the earlier filing date of the provisional application. And a provisional application does provide a low-cost way with minimal formal requirements to file an application at the USPTO to establish an early effective filing date known as the priority date. Aside from getting an earlier effective filing date and getting a 12-month window to file a non-provisional application, as mentioned earlier, the filing of a provisional application may provide an additional 12 months of protection for the invention since the patent term is currently 20 years from the filing of the non-provisional application. Also, filing a provisional application allows the inventors to use the term patent pending for their inventions. Now we will discuss the filing requirements of a provisional patent application. Most, if not all, requirements mentioned here in this slide can be completed by filling out the provisional application cover sheet, also referred to as PTO Form SB16. This form can be downloaded from the USPTO website as provided in the link below. Additional requirements for the provisional patent application include writing the details of the invention, also referred to as drafting the specification or the disclosure. This is probably one of the most important aspects of writing your application. This process allows the inventor to take his new idea and convert it to an invention. More details for each of these requirements is provided in subsequent slides. Also note, there is a nominal fee associated with the filing of a provisional patent application. The following is the guidance for drafting the specification or disclosure. It should be noted that this is only a guidance. The inventor is provided with wide latitude in drafting their specifications or disclosures. Let's begin. The title of the invention should be a brief but technically accurate and descriptive statement of the invention. The background should be a short paragraph or paragraphs describing the field of the invention, including the issues with the existing field and the improvement or the problem that the inventor is trying to solve or improve. The summary of the invention should set out the exact nature, operation, and purpose of the invention. The summary should be directed to a specific invention being claimed. The subject matter of the invention should be described in one or more clear, concise sentences or paragraphs. The summary of the invention should be specific and avoid generalities. The drawings. The drawings should be included in the application so as to better describe and show the invention. The drawings may be drafted using a CAD tool, or hand drawings are also acceptable as long as they are legible and understandable. The detailed description must be written in such particularity so as to enable any person skilled in the pertinent art or science to make and use the invention without extensive experimentation. The subject matter of the invention should be described in one or more clear, concise sentences or paragraphs, and should refer to the elements, components provided in the drawings. The inventor is provided wide latitude in drafting their detailed description. However, the inventor is encouraged to provide details and the various embodiments of the invention. The disclosure of the later filed non-provisional application must have support for the subject matter in the provisional application. It is also noted that the provisional application is not published and the disclosure remains confidential from the public. Finally, the fees for filing the provisional patent application vary with the entity status of the applicant. An applicant may be considered a large entity or a small entity or a micro entity. The following is the fees provided for small and micro entity applicants. The requirements for the micro entity are also provided below. It is also noted that applicants claiming micro entity status must fill out the Certification of Micro Entity Status form, also referred to as PTO Form SB15. This form can be downloaded from the USPTO website as per the link provided. Furthermore, guidance for filling out the form can be found by watching the following quick clinic video. See the link provided below. If you have any further questions, please contact the Pro Se Assistance Center at 1-866-767-3848 or via email at innovationdevelopment@uspto.gov. We also encourage you to visit our website as listed below. The website provides more detailed information related to filing a provisional patent application, including Knowledge Pack, the Provisional Application Toolkit, and the Quick Clinic videos. Thank you for watching this video in the USPTO's Quick Clinic series. Now, you should have a much better understanding regarding how to file a provisional patent application. Thank you and have a great day.